You suck. We wanna talk about sex, but we're not allowed. Well, you may not like me, but you better lay down, 'cause it's your turn now.
Boy, you're wasting your time with excuses and lies.
Now what's on your nasty old mind?
How should I begin this? I guess it started when you